We go through some real life and the worst thing we can do is try to dismiss or suppress our thoughts and feelings by trying to be positive. You lose someone you love and someone says at least they're in a better place. Even though they mean well, it lands like your grief is a problem to fix and not a feeling to feel. You keep your job while others are getting laid off, but now they triple your workload so you're exhausted and overwhelmed. And people would say just be grateful you still have a job. Like your burnout makes you ungrateful instead of just human. You in a dark place barely holding it together and someone says just think positive. Like happiness is just a light switch you forgot to flip. And suddenly, every real emotion you have get treated like it's wrong. That's not support. That's emotional bypassing dressed up as positivity. When we push down real emotions, it's like we're holding a beach ball down underwater. Sure, we can hold it down for a while, but the more we push, the more pressure builds up. And when we can no longer hold it, explodes to the top, taking your mental peace and physical health with it. One thing we have to understand is that it's okay to have those thoughts and feelings. We're not going to be happy 24 hours a day. Feeling anger, sadness, anxiety, or doubt don't make us broken and make us human. We have to normalize the full emotional experience. What matters is how we respond. Instead of avoiding these emotions or covering them up with fake positivity, we can do something much stronger, which is resilient thinking. Resilient thinking means developing adaptive thought habits that help us process adversity in a healthy, grounded way. It's not about shaming negative thoughts just because society always thinks we should be happy. It's about understanding what we feel, facing it honestly, and learning to respond with intention instead of reacting on autopilot. And here's how it works in practice. First, we recognize the thoughts and feelings without judging them. Then we challenge it, then we reframe it. We challenge it by asking questions like, is this thought helping me move forward or is it keeping me stuck and silent? Instead of thinking I should be grateful other people have it worse, reframe it to I can be grateful but still acknowledge when I'm burnt out. It's protecting my peace so I can still show up. And finally, we'll treat ourselves with the same compassion that we'll treat a loved one. Because the goal isn't to avoid negative emotions. It's to process them in a way to help us grow and not to spiral. If you can't figure it out on your own, it's okay. Find the support that you need. And remember, when life starts lifing, don't hide behind it with false positivity. Face it with the truth and run into it with resilience.